Hello, good morning everyone. Today, let us discuss about the some chemical properties of amine. In that, amines reaction with the nitrous acid. We'll discuss now. Amines are reaction with the nitrous acid. So, nitrous acid formula HNO2. So, this is we can represent it as OH N double bond also we can represent it. See here primary amines, the two aliphatic amines. Primary amines reaction with nitrous acid, then formation of alcohols. So here one example I am taking here. This is ethylamine. Ethylamine reaction with the nitrous acid. So here see OHNO nitrous acid. Then formation of alcohol. See here H2O water as well as N2 gas is eliminated. Then formation of CH3 CH2OH. CH3 CH2OH, ethyl alcohol or ethanol, and nitrogen gas plus N2 gas plus water molecule is formed. So, aliphatic primary amines reaction with nitrous acid, then formation of alcohols. Next, here NaNO2. This is sodium nitrate. Sodium nitrite. Sodium nitrite. Nitrite. Okay. So NaNO2 plus HCl function also same as nitrous acid. Same as HNO. Same function. Why? Because NaNO2 plus HCl nothing but that gives HNO2 only. You see, if you want to write Na plus O minus N double bond O. This is NaNO2 sodium nitrate reaction with HCl. Okay. This oxygen molecule accept the proton, then Na and Cl is eliminated, then formation of so which is also NaNO2 plus HCl also form HNO2. So that's why these two functions are same. So what are those functions? We'll discuss now. First one you remember. First one you remember. All aliphatic primary amines converted into alcohols. Okay. So what primary amines are coming to alcohol. That to aliphatic. So aromatic what I can say? Aromatic primary amines are reaction with the nitrous acid, then formation of diazonium salts. Now see, here I am taking, this is aromatic primary amine, aniline, which is reaction with the HNO2 or NaNO2 plus 2HCl, 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. So aromatic primary amine then converted into benzene diazonium chloride. See, which is gone into benzene diazonium chloride. You remember this important thing. Aliphatic primary amines gone into alcohol. Aromatic primary amines are gone into benzene diazonium chlorides. Okay. Sir, what is the difference Is primary aliphatic amine does not formation of the diazoxide chlorides? Does not formation of the diazoxide chloride. Why? We'll discuss now. See, here I am taking ethylamine, primary aliphatic amine, which is reaction with the HNO2 or NaNO2 plus 2HCl. So aliphatic primary amine does not formation of the diazonium group. Why? Because see, if it is forms diazonium group, see, in the diazonium group, this nitrogen is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon. So here diazonium group is least stable. Okay, so here in this condition, the bond cleavage, this bond is attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon. So that's why it's a very weak bond cleavage quickly. So that's why it is not formed. Okay, so if it is aromatic primary amines, reaction with the HNO2 or NaNO2 plus 2HCl 0 to 5 degrees Celsius, here it formation of diazonium chloride. So here stable at that to 0 degrees Celsius. Why? Because here diazo group of nitrogen is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon. So this bond is somewhat strong bond compared to sp3 hybridized bond. Okay. So this is also least stable at room temperature. So that's why the condition is that this reaction we are going to take place in 0 degrees Celsius, 0 to 5 degrees Celsius only. If it is room temperature, this also does not formation of the diazonium group. Okay, which is further amylose hydrolysis gives phenol. So that's why we are unable to prepare the aliphatic primary amine diazonium group. Why? Because aliphatic primary amines diazonium group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon. This bond is weak bond, it cleavages and is counted as a nitrogen gas. Okay, so that difference you remember. Simple difference. In aliphatic primary amine, diazonium group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon. In aromatic, the diazonium group is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon. Okay, so you got the point. Aliphatic primary amines reaction with the nitrous acid or sodium nitrate, NaNO2 plus 2HCl. Aliphatic primary amines gives alcohol. Aromatic primary amines gives diazonium groups. You remember. So some example we will discuss now here. Now tell me, is this forms alcohol or diazonium group? So very simple. So this is benzylamine. This is benzylamine. This benzylamine is reaction with the NaNO2 plus 2HCl or nitrous acid HNO2 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. Now tell me, which is formation of alcohol or diazonium group? 100% answer alcohol only. Why? Because here amine group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon, not direct to the benzene ring. So that's why the formation of benzyl alcohol N2 plus water molecule. What is formed? This is benzyl alcohol forms. Okay, right. Sometimes confusion purpose, this is cyclohexylamine. Cyclohexylamine, tell me, is this primary amine or secondary amine? See, you don't get any confusion. Some students they will get confusion here. Sir, NH2 group is attached to carbon, is a secondary carbon. So is this secondary amine? No, it's a primary amine only. So in amines, primary and secondary depend upon the nitrogen group, does not depend upon the carbon group. Okay? Right. So this is primary amine. So the primary amine reaction with the HNO2. So then formation of cyclohexyl alcohol it will be formed. Cyclohexyl alcohol it will be formed. N2 plus H2O. Okay? Right. Next, one important question. See, here we are taking 4 options. The simple question, very simple question. You can give the answer. In the given 4 options, which of the following forms the diazonium chloride? Which of the following forms the diazonium chloride? So easily you can identify the answer. The answer is, already I told you, aliphatic primary amines gives the alcohol. So these all are reaction with HNO2 or NaNO2 plus 2HCl 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. So which of the following is gives diazonium chloride? So answer is C. Why? Because you know the reason is that all primary amines. So this also primary amine, this also primary amine, this also primary amine. All primary aliphatic amine. This also aliphatic primary amine only, but not aliphatic. This is aromatic. Okay. So option A, B, D give the alcohols. C gives diazonium chloride. So your answer is C. Okay. Right. Next. One important note here. Sir, primary aliphatic amines gives the alcohol with the nitrous acid. Sir, what about secondary amines? That one point we will discuss now. CH3, CH2, NH, CH3. So this is a secondary amine. So secondary amine reaction with the nitrous acid, then what happens? Secondary amines reaction with the nitrous acid, then formation of nitrosonimine. What is this, you know? Nitrosonimine it will be formed. So your answer is that CH3, CH2, N. So nitrosonimine is formed. Secondary amines are reaction with nitrous acid and formation of nitrosonimine. So what about tertiary amines? So you see, I am taking here tertiary amine. Tertiary amine is reaction with nitrous acid. So then what happens? So tertiary amines does not reaction with nitrous acid. Okay. So this is the difference of the primary and secondary and tertiary amines. Okay. Thank you very much. Bye.